10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
What is a noun? Which of the following is a possessive noun in the sentence below? Kevin wants Sam's chips. Which noun best fits into the sentence? My house is red. Which of the following is a possessive noun in the sentence below? I can't see the dog's bone. The train station was closed. How many nouns are in this sentence? Which of these words is not a noun? Which word is a noun? Which noun best fits into the sentence? A dog stole the toy. Which of the following is a possessive noun in the sentence below? The pretty girl's dress is red. I love pizza, chocolate, chips, rice, raisins and apples. How many nouns are in that sentence?